Are we about to see a $15,000 Bitcoin? Oh, didn't I just raffle? No. Continue. Didn't I just raffle? Didn't I just get a little stick up your bum? Especially if you're in Bitcoin right now. And I said, are we about to see a $15,000 Bitcoin? You're like, oh my goodness, it's not going to happen. Let me show you what the reason why I'm saying, are we about to? I'm not saying we are. All right, little pumpkins, little bumblebees. I'm not saying we are. But let me share with you a bit of a point of view of where, Bitcoin, we may be getting down to 15,000. Let's get right into it. Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, guys. I rattling some feathers here. Is that the word? I don't know. You know what I'm trying to say. Guys, I'm running a sale to my trading course, $7. If you'd like to learn some good foundations, some really good chart reading strategies to read the charts, some good trading systems mindset, $7 just to help you guys out. Limited time only. I don't know how long I'm going to run this for, but you'll be able to see it, all the details over there. Go to johnsflashsale.com. Go there right now. Now let's move over to Bitcoin. Now I know when I first started this video, some people saying, oh my goodness, especially people that are already invested into Bitcoin right now. I know that I'm getting a lot of people saying, you are joking, John. Whatever, right? It's like, no, it's not going to happen. $15,000 Bitcoin. You don't understand, John. This time's different. Right? So firstly, pumpkins and bumblebees, especially you guys that have got a real big stick up your bum right now that's already clicked the dislike button. Thank you very much. Make sure you leave a comment as well too. Here's the thing, all right, guys. Firstly, when you're investing in any market, you must be okay with both sides happening because both sides can happen. What I mean by that is that crypto can hold right now and go for a big run. I give that a 20% chance. Crypto can hold right now and go for a bit of a dump down to say low 20s. I give that probably 70% chance. No, sorry. Yeah, I give that probably say a 70% chance of it actually doing that. And it could just completely erase this massive bubble and it go down to say, mid 15s, mid 15,000s. And I probably give that a 20% probability of that actually happening. Maybe even higher, maybe 30% probability. Now, again, guys, I'm not just saying this based on whatever, but if you study markets and study bubbles, this is the way the markets are, all right? And, everyone is based on crypto right now. Crypto. Firstly, if you haven't watched my other video based on the miners and metals, if you want some miners and metals returns, if you want some really good crypto returns or similar crypto returns over the next few years, well then, guess what? Crypto missed the boat. Maybe if we get enough pullback to maybe the 15,000 in Bitcoin, then we can get there. So don't be chasing something that's already made some big moves, all right? Chase something that hasn't made big moves and then you get out. So what I'm saying here is this. If I'm looking at my overall Bitcoin right now, and if I go back to my smaller time frame charts, say such as the 2-hour charts, right? So I can see here based on the 2-hour charts that we have had this big massive shoulder, head, and shoulder formation through here. We've had this neckline coming all through here. And if I use the projection based on that, this head and shoulder, we can see that the head and shoulder projection. All right, so this is step one. Step one is the head and shoulder projection comes down to around about 24,000. All right, so that's where I believe we're probably likely to get to on the crypto market. Secondly, if we start to look at what's happening here right now on a sort of a technical basis, lower high, breaking down, rolling back up, and making another lower high, and now we're rolling back over. So we're probably likely to continue doing this even more on the downside. So once again, a target there would be 24,000 on there. But here's the thing, all right? Here's the thing, and I'm telling you right now, I'm gonna stick up some people's bum right now, but I don't care because I'm gonna tell you the truth, and the truth is what the market does. If I'm looking at Bitcoin, what Bitcoin does, Bitcoin's done this many times, all right, guys? So what I'm talking about is this: if I look at Bitcoin right now, and I go back in time, look this big vertical move we've had. If I go back to when, you probably know what I'm going to go back to, right? To 20,000. Look what happened here. We had what? We had exactly what we're seeing right now. A what? A hockey stick to the upside. Hockey stick. A whoosha! Right to the upside. Way we go. 20,000. Here we go. Yeehaw. Actually, yeah, almost 20,000. And everyone was talking about it, and CNBC had the ticker on there, and it's everyone's crypto, and it seems like it's easy money. It's gonna keep going, and it's gonna and it crashes. How much did it crash? Right. So where the hockey stick started, see, the hockey stick started from here up and down. Right. So that's where the hockey stick started, and it retraced what? 100% of that. In fact, it actually retraced a lot more than that. If you actually see this, it actually retraced a lot more down to around about 3 or 4,000. So what I'm saying here, and guys, if you're investing in the markets right now and you say the opposite cannot happen, you're an idiot. Like seriously, anything can happen to any market. And that's where you got to have your risk management in place and understand that, hey, this can happen, right? We can get happen. So what I'm saying here right now is that with this massive hockey stick, we could see the similar price of action where we are right now. Because guess what? We saw hockey stick crash. We just seen another massive hockey stick. When that's a hockey stick, all right? Look at that, how big that is. So if I'm looking at where did the hockey stick start? Right? Again, this is just not me. This is the market, right? Who cares about me? It's nothing about me. It's about the market. Where did the hockey stick start? Say it with me. Around 18,000. Right? So as you can see, around 18,000, that's when the hockey stick started. So we're probably likely to get down to probably around 20 to 18,000 based on the hockey stick. Big move to the upside, big boom. Now again, that may not happen, guys. No one knows. But based on this big hockey stick bubble, we're probably likely to get down there. And if the sellers really hit it hard for a bit of a flush to get people out, then I could see this thing down here around about this $14,000 to $15,000, which is a long-term trend line. Now, if crypto did do that, guys, oh my goodness, that would be a big buying opportunity for Bitcoin if we did get down there, right? GPTC, you name it, I'll be all over that thing, like a fat kid loves cake. Actually, you know what? No, as much as I love pizza, sushi, baby, sushi. Anyway, so we had a very big hockey stick. So the hockey stick started around there, and last time we had a bubble, and that's what most bubbles do. They retrace from where it actually happened. So I have the conservative, to me, the conservative target would be around about the 24,000, 25,000. But once again, guys, that this bubble could retrace all the way down to, because if you go back to here, look what happened. From the last sort of, look at this here. This was the last significant we had a run up, a higher low, and then we had another higher low, and then we ran up, came down, went sideways, and then down, right? And by the way, I actually shorted Bitcoin through this process here. It was a short-term trade, so anyway. And then guess what? And then now we're doing this here, right? We've just been holding. And so you can see, once again, we actually just thought went straight through my mind. So you can see it came right back down to this major low through here. So, the major low is actually maybe, I don't know, maybe we're going to see 10,000. I doubt we're going to see 10,000, by the way, guys. Looking at this sort of significant high low and then the break. But if you're looking at crypto, right? Crypto, it may be a good time to get in, but it's not. Okay, guys, put it this way: if you're looking to invest some money right now, what you want to do is look at what happened. Okay, let's actually like class in session, right? Class in session. If you're looking to invest, right? Because why are you investing in Bitcoin? Really, so you can make some money, right? That's all it is, really. You're trying to make a good return on your money. So let's actually do a bit of a study here. What actually happened before hockey stick action happened in Bitcoin? What happened to the market? Oh my goodness, nothing happened. Like just not much going on. We had a bit of a sideways movement, we had a bit of a flush down and so on. Nothing happened for about, was that over 12 months? Over 12 months, over 1 year of not doing nothing, man. This is where people are getting bored. People are getting frustrated. People are getting annoyed. Is that I or E? I don't know. People are saying, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. T, this is stupid. Et cetera, right? And what were they saying at this time? They were saying, why are you investing in that? Why don't you come over here and invest in Tesla? And guess what? The people who were what? Patient, big P. Let's actually put air comments around that. Big P, guess what? They were patient. Guess what? Hockey stick action happened. Now, I just wonder, if you've been watching my last videos, even the ones I did today, and I wonder what else has been doing nothing for quite some time, and people are getting frustrated. People are getting bothered. People are getting, this is not happening. People are saying, I wish I was investing something else that was going crazy. I wonder what other markets are doing that right now that haven't made a hockey stick to the upside. Something to think about, my friends. Right? So remember, whenever we're investing, don't try to jump on the thing that's already made big moves. Understand, class in session. What was the market doing before big moves? I wonder what other markets are doing that pattern right now. It could be a good probability over the next couple of years we're going to see we're going to see big hockey stick action in those types of markets. By the way, leave a comment below if you know what I'm talking about. So there we go, guys. Class is almost finished. First thing we covered in today's video is go get that $7 trading course if you need some help. It's $7. It's going to get you on top of the market. It's going to teach you a lot more stuff that I'm talking about right now. Go do that right now. And also, step number 2 we covered, which was the head and shoulder formation. And that's why the head and shoulder formation, again, that's just based on the market, the charts, not me. Don't shoot the messenger. I'm just listening to the markets like you should be doing, bumblebees, right? Is that projection is around 24,000. But once again, the bubble really started around 18,000, so we could get down to there. And if we do get a bit of a quick flush down, just like they did back here, or down to 4,000, and even down here around 3,000, we could get a flush down towards down the $15,000 mark. Now, again, that may or may not happen, but again, I'm just going based on what the market does and how the markets work. And then the next thing we covered was, don't just chase something that's already made big, massive moves. If you want to jump on something that's likely to make big, massive moves moving forward, well, then find something that is similar to what the market was doing here. Hint, 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 nudge, nudge. I talked about it in my last video. And maybe, just maybe you want to be part of that and just be patient, just like everyone was be patient here for over 12 months. And now they're crypto. Guess what you'll be saying? You'll be saying, this market. And that's what's likely to happen. So you can either listen to what I'm saying here right now, or you can chase something that's already made a big move, which is likely to continue to crash even more. Or you could be smart about the way that you're looking at the markets and looking for opportunities and jump on something before the hockey stick action, and then you could enjoy the hockey stick action. It's totally up to you.